This is how it feels to do a tour in the pandemic. So we're here now waiting for the tour. That's our boat right there. And it'll be just a few minutes before we get on the boat. And they're going to take us around Miami. It's going to be like about 90-minute tour. So hopefully we get to see a lot of cool stuff. We'll see a shark, hopefully. I doubt it, but it's mostly around the city area that this boat will be going. And just stay put, and I'll show you a lot of cool stuff.
Folks, welcome. My name is Pablo, and we out of here. The one that got the cross on it. Take a look. I don't know if you heard about the famous designer from Iraq, raised in New York. She passed away, unfortunately. Her name is Zaha Hadid.
It's a wonderful feeling. It's nice to be alive. It's a wonderful feeling. I want to reach the sky. It's a wonderful feeling. It's nice to be alive. It's a wonderful feeling. I want to reach the sky.
Cancer Alta, imagínense. Hay una propiedad en la parte de atrás también. Las dos conectadas con túneles subterráneos. Ahora la pueden arrendar en Alcatraz. Y de ahí a los tempranos 40 la calle. Y murió en el año 47. Murió de enfermedad también, todos saben. Pero claro que fue preso por no pagar los impuestos. Por ese lado, pero no es exactamente igual. Ahora es solamente para serie de televisión.
So guys, like I was saying, this is the end of the tour. It was pretty cool. we got to see a lot of mansions that belong to a lot of famous people, like Jennifer Lopez, Rihanna, Will Smith, Puff Daddy. It was pretty cool. It was amazing. I tried to zoom in as much as I could in some of those mansions, but I tried. But it was cool. It was worth it. So the whole experience on the boat tour was very worth it. I would highly recommend it. It was only $78 for 3 people, and it's an experience. So get out of your butt. I mean, get out from that couch and go have an adventure.
And if you suffer from motion sickness, it's okay. You won't get it much.
Yeah, my wife just said if you suffer from motion sickness, don't worry about it. It's not a big of a deal. Just take some peppermint, that's her tip, and smell it here and there, and it'll make you feel better. As far as the pandemic, a lot of people are wearing masks everywhere. Even outside right now, like me, wearing the mask. And there's nobody really enforcing anything. So you should be okay as long as you wear a mask, and you'll be fine. And all of the restaurants are opening right now. So if you're hungry, you can catch a bite to eat right here at the dock. Right here. There's plenty of restaurants, and then you book your tour. So you need to know now.